So Celgene is the FPO co-lead in the Harmony project, and so Celgene will be leading along with Novartis, with Salamanca and Valencia, the executive committee, and we're delighted to be involved in this very important project for the haematological community. So my role in Celgene is I'm an executive director in medical affairs. I work in haemato-oncology, and I have a broad role looking across all sorts of clinical trials, observational research, medical information, training, multiple aspects of the medical affairs world that Celgene works in. So Celgene is very keen to be involved in this project because we have a very long heritage in treating haematological cancers. We've been involved with Revlimid, of course, in myeloma, and through collaborations already over the last 10 years or so, really changed the landscape in myeloma. This project is a unique opportunity to not only look at myeloma, but also multiple other diseases in the heme space to try and find ways collaboratively to find improvements in treatment, in diagnosis, and in outcomes for patients. So I'm very enthusiastic about the chance this gives us to really try and move the treatment for patients forward in a cross-functional way that will help all sorts of stakeholders, patients, regulatory authorities, HTA bodies, and of course, very importantly, the physicians who treat the patients. Sure. So the industry met a long time ago after hearing suggestions from the academics that a haematological project would be very interesting to work on within the IMI framework. FPO companies joined together then to form and create a first short proposal to explain what this project would be about, and then put it out through the call process of IMI to invite academic institutions to join to form consortiums to try and take on this project. The Harmony Consortium was successful, and then we jointly, as FPO and the public side of Harmony, merged into one, and now together we're going to move the whole project forward, bringing in multiple other stakeholders such as the regulators, the HTA bodies, the patients, to ensure we can cross-functionally achieve this project. So this project is a 5-year project, and there are many, many deliverables we plan to try and achieve in this project across the 7 different disease areas we're going to work in. Very importantly, short term, is to prove we can do this. So we want to try and bring together large data sets to analyse the key open questions in each disease. We're going to start with AML, first of all, as a pilot, to try and make the proof of principle. Show how you can merge data, how you can analyse data, and hopefully then publish some important outcomes that can immediately try and improve the treatment of AML patients. And then from that, develop the project across all 7 diseases over the next 5 years. So the consortium is very concerned to ensure all data protection measures, all patient confidentiality are addressed. We have a whole work package dedicated just to the legal aspects of how to manage and combine, anonymise and use data. Because obviously, as you know, in the European environment, data protection is a very important point. So we have, as I said, a whole work package will work very closely with the colleagues who are going to work on identifying data and analysing data to make sure all those aspects are fully covered and fully transparently managed. So the executive committee are overseeing the whole organisation, and also we lead Work Package 1. And Work Package 1 is very much the project management aspect. So it's making sure operationally the project moves forward, all the IMI requirements are fulfilled, reporting, the financial aspects, etc. So I think one of the biggest challenges of this project is going to make it achieve outcomes in a timely fashion and involve as many people as we can to make it really a pan-European successful project. We have lots of partners, 51 partners currently, but also another 60 plus associate members. We're very keen to involve anybody, collaborative groups, universities, other companies who have data that could be contributed to this project to ensure we all work together on this to make the most positive and successful project possible.